Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says write the equation of the line passing through the points -4, 3 and -2, -1 in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope of the line and b represents the y-intercept. And in this problem, I'm not given the slope directly or the y-intercept directly, and so I'm going to have to find them first. So first I'm going to use the slope formula, second y-coordinate minus first y-coordinate, over second x-coordinate minus first x-coordinate to find the slope of this line. And so I'm going to substitute. The second y-coordinate is -1 minus the first y-coordinate is 3 over the second x-coordinate is -2 minus from the formula itself, and the first x-coordinate is -4. And we know that dash dash means plus. And so the slope will be -1 minus 3, which is -4 in the numerator, and -2 plus 4 is 2 in the denominator, and that's a clean division. -4 divided by 2 is -2. And so I know the slope of this line is -2. And now I can use the point slope form and then transform to the slope-intercept form. So the point slope form is y minus y sub 1, or the first y-coordinate, equals slope times x minus x subscript 1, or the x-coordinate. I can use either of the 2 points. I'm going to choose the first point just because it only has one negative instead of 2, and that gives me less chance for error. So I'm going to substitute y minus the first y-coordinate is 3 equals the slope that we just found is -2 times x minus, and the x-coordinate itself is -4. And so I have a negative sign or subtraction sign from the formula, and then I have a negative sign from the actual coordinate itself. And we know that dash dash means plus, and so that would be -2 times x plus 4 on the right side. So now I'm going to do the distributive property. Y minus 3 will equal -2 times x is -2x, and -2 times +4 is -8. Last step would be to add 3 to both sides. -3 plus 3 is 0, 0 plus y is y, equals -2x, and -8 plus 3 is -5. And so in slope-intercept form, the equation of this line would be y equals -2x minus 5.